Hi, I'm Scott Margolin, Vice President of Technical here at Tyndale, and I'm joining you today with some breaking news that I think you're probably going to like, and it involves DC arcs. We all know that with the rise of EVs and solar and DC energy storage, that DC is a growing concern, and DC arcs weren't well understood at all. And in fact, arc ratings are done on AC arcs. So Tyndale, about a year and a half ago, recognized this and undertook some qualitative work to understand whether arc-rated gear like I'm wearing right now, that's been rated in an AC arc, was protective against the DC arc. And the good news is it was. Now, when I say qualitative, we took full garments and put them on mannequins and exposed them to DC arcs at real energies, but they weren't censored. They weren't arc ratings. We were looking at the damage to the garment and seeing if it matched, and it did. Recognizing that what we really needed was the next level of understanding, we undertook to actually use DC power in arc ratings. Now, that is expensive. So we worked with Kinectrics, the laboratory, to get a number of other companies involved. Together, we were able to raise the money to quantify how well the protective fabrics, fibers, and garments that you're using today, rated in an AC arc, work in a DC arc. There's three possible outcomes there, right? Either they're different, but they're predictably different, and we can put a DC correction factor in, or they're different and they're not predictably different, and we need all new DC arc ratings, which would be a nightmare, or they're the same. So here's the good news. They are the same. So what did we test? We intentionally chose the four most commonly used Cat 2 shirtweight products in the market, as well as a very commonly used arc flash suit. As you can see from the data here, what we learned is that there is little or no variation between AC arc and DC arc results. In fact, 3 of the 5 garments were exactly the same. 1 of the 5 garments differed by only 1/10 of a calorie, and the one that differed by 1 full calorie was 32 versus 33 calories for only a 0.3% difference. So the summary here, the headline here, is that the variation, what little exists between AC and DC arc, is well within the standard deviation of the test method itself. We do not need new DC arc ratings, and the gear that you own today that was rated by ASTM F1959 and AC arcs does protect you against DC arcs. If you'd like more information on this exciting news, there are some resources available to you on our website. At the top of that list is the actual peer-reviewed published research paper itself on these DC arcs. There's also the slide deck used to present this data at IEEE Electrical Safety Workshop in March of 2025, as well as a longer form video that gets into more detail on the test method and the results. Thank you.